Good morning, students. Children, today we shall take up a topic in grammar which we have already done earlier. But when I went through your assignment, student, I saw that many of you did not really do well. And probably because you did not understand the topic well. So therefore I decided I will do this topic again with you. Because this topic, the tense, is very, very important from your writing skill point of view, from your speaking skill point of view. All right. And this is your base. Therefore, if you look at this picture, you can see it is the trunk of a tree. Okay. So this topic is the foundation for your good speaking English and writing English. Clear, children? So I request you to kindly sit with your notebooks. You are going to note down all the important points that I tell you. All right. Please note down, because you know what happens, it becomes easier for you to refer to your notebooks than rather than putting on your, going and putting on the tutorials again and again on your mobile. So please note down these points in your notebook. This is a request. And today, children, I will not be taking, as you know, when you're talking about tenses, there are three types, no? Present tense, past tense, future tense. I will only take present tense today. Okay? So that will become more easier for you to understand. Like we had done in our earlier video. Okay? This tenses are of three types. Which are the three types? Come on. Say it loudly so you also are, memorizing it. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Clear? This is pakka? Okay. Now what I want you to know is, under present tense, there are how many types? 4 types. Under present tense. Under past tense, 4 types. Under future tense, 4 types. Clear? Now, under present tense, which are the 4 types, children? Present simple tense. Or you can say simple present tense. Either way, it is correct. Okay? Then, present continuous tense. You even call it present progressive tense. I repeat, what is it? Present progressive or continuous tense. Same meaning. Then present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. So you should know all these 4 types in present tense. This you have to learn by heart. So please see that you know this, the titles of this, which are the 4 types in present tense. So since we are concentrating today only on present tense, we will do only the 4 types in present tense. Clear? Now, which is the first type? Present simple tense or simple present tense. As I told you, either way it is correct. So let's see. Now, when do you use simple present tense? It is used for habit, fact, opinion, schedule, regular action. Now, habit. I eat my breakfast every day. I go to school every day. Habit. Okay. Fact. The earth rotates around the sun. It's a fact. Opinion. I think you are a good boy. Schedule. I go to school. Okay. That's a regular thing. Regular action. You can say what? I play football every day. Regular action. These are all under simple present tense. Clear? Now look at the structure of the sentence. This is very simple. If you understand that, you must understand this, then you can write any simple present tense. Okay, you will be able to solve. Now the simple present tense is used to describe habits, unchanging situations, general truths, and fixed arrangements. Now, in sentence, children, always you have positive, that is called affirmative. Remember, we did in the 8th standard. Affirmative is positive sentence. Then you have negative, then you have a question mark. Now, question mark means what? Interrogative. What is it called? Interrogative sentence. Jisme bhi question mark aayega, it is called interrogative. Say that word, interrogative. Okay. Now look at the sentence. Simple sentence, okay? Subject, verb and object. Okay? I run fast. Positive sentence. Okay? This is first person. First person means I. Second person, he, she, you, whatever. Third person will be, you're pointing they. I run fast. I don't run fast. Do I run fast? Question mark. Remember, interrogative. You run fast. You don't run fast. Do you run fast? He runs fast. He doesn't run fast. Does he run fast? She runs fast. She doesn't run fast. Does she run fast? It runs fast. It doesn't run fast. Does it run fast? They run fast. They don't run fast. Do they run fast? And finally, we run fast. We don't run fast. Do we run fast? Now, all this comes under simple present tense. So, affirmative, negative, interrogative. Did you understand? Now, there are some spellings, children, when we write present simple tense, no? There are some rules. You all make mistakes while writing spelling. So, pay attention here. When I say, I miss. Now, if I have to put it in a simple present tense, he misses. So, ES aayega. It will come ES. I finish, he finishes. ES. Some of you just put S, which is wrong. You must put ES. Okay? Then I watch. He watches. ES. Watches. He. Okay? He is the second person. I mix. This is first person. Second person mein EX. S. Then I go. He goes. ES. Okay? So you see that? When you have the second person, you have to write ES, ES. Now, I study. Now, when it comes to Y, children, be careful. Y, instead of putting the Y, what do I put? IES. He studies. First person may study. Okay? Second person, he studies. IES. Here you all make mistakes, children. Okay? Be careful. Study. Y. First person may I study. Okay? Second person, he studies. I cry. He cries. IES. Under which? Present simple. Okay? Then, first person, I play. Second person, he plays. Here we don't have ES. Always remember this. Here we don't have ES. So, you must know these spellings, okay, where we make usually mistakes. Now, we finished with the first type under present tense. What is that? That was present simple tense. Now, let's come to the second type in present tense. Which is the second type? Come on, say it together. Present continuous tense. Or we call it what? Present progressive tense. Right? Present continuous tense or present progressive tense. Clear? Chalo. Let's see the examples. When do we use present continuous tense? Action that are happening now. Present में हो रहा है. Happening now. She is cooking in the kitchen. Action is going on. Is cooking. So what you're putting? ING. ING means continuous, progressive, children. ING. लेकिन किस में है वो? Present में है. It is in present tense. Is. ठीक है? Then actions that are temporary. They are staying in London for a few days. Temporary, they are staying for a few days. So, are. Why are, children? Because they. She is singular, so is. They are plural, so are. They are staying in London for a few days. Then, definite future plans. In future, when we say, I am going hiking tomorrow. Am going. Am will come with I. Okay? I am going. See, one thing you notice, children, in progressive, ING, ING, ING will come in all. So, one clue you got. What clue? When we are doing present continuous tense, you have to put ING with the verb. But the present tense is, are, am. Clear? Okay. Then let's move on to the third type. You tell me which is the third type in present tense? Present perfect tense. Correct. Now, present perfect tense, what is it? The action is over. Action is over. But in which tense? In the present tense. Always ask a question in your mind. Which tense? Present tense. Like, take this example. He has completed the running. Has completed. Present tense. Perfect is completed. ED aa gaya. If it comes ED means it is completed action. But in which tense? In present. Has. has. Okay. So the structure will be what? Subject, he, has or have. This is coming in the perfect tense. Okay. Perfect tense mein has and have aayega. Present tense mein complete plus verb. Okay. The run. Yes. Now example, she has written an essay. Has is what? Perfect. Action over. Written. Okay. Has written. Both of them is completed action. This is the verb part of it. And remember children, written it is double T. Please pay attention to the spelling. Okay. Written may double T. Writing single T. Write single T. Okay. But in written double T. Clear? So what is present perfect? Action is over. Okay. Completed. Has completed. So two words come there. Clear? Now we go to the fourth type. You tell me which is the fourth type. Fourth type is present perfect continuous tense. Let's see this. Present perfect. Okay. There's more example for present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. More examples are there. Before we go to the fourth types, just see the third one. She has just watered the plants. This is action is over. Perfect mein, present perfect. And she has served the meal. Action is over. So these are present perfect. This is the third type. Now we move on to the fourth type. Fourth type is which one? Present perfect continuous tense. Now present perfect continuous tense, look at the example. They have been learning English for 2 years. This is positive. Positive means which what? Affirmative sentence. Clear? Now we come to negative. Negative is what? They have not been learning English for 2 years. Then, this question mark is what sentence? Come on children, tell me. Interrogative, right? Interrogative is question. So, how you will write the question? Have they been learning English for 2 years? Question mark. Now, this is present perfect continuous tense. So, in present perfect continuous tense, what has happened children? Action is over and it's still going on. Remember that. So they have, you see the subject, have and has is there and plus being. What is common in present perfect continuous tense? Being is there everywhere. Did you notice this? Like in progressive ing. Okay? So in the present perfect continuous mein kaun sa hai? Being is common and what else? Ing is common. You can see this ing. See, when you notice all these things, you must remember these things. If you know that these are the things that has to come, then you're going to write it down correctly. So, they have been learning English for 2 years. So, it will be what? Present, perfect, continuous. This is perfect, being, have been, present, perfect, continuous tense. It is going on, action. Clear? Okay. Then, I've given you some homework. You got a long weekend. You are going. These are very simple homework, children. Now, this is the first type. First type is what? Present simple. Present simple tense. You have to just underline the verbs here. Okay. I'm not going to do this for you. You have to do it on your own. Okay. Because this is very easy. Second is which type? Present continuous. Okay. So, present continuous, one is already solved and given to you. The others, you have to just put in the blanks there. This is also very simple, present continuous. Then you have present perfect. Action is over. इसमें आपको क्या करना है? What you have to do in this? Circle the correct word. Words are already given, children. Just circle करना है. Okay? And you have to complete the sentence. Present perfect में action over. Okay? All the verbs are given. You have to just put it in the right blanks here. Clear? And you have the last present perfect continuous tense. This verb is given. You have to put it in present perfect continuous tense. You go back to the slide. You see that again and you will be able to solve all this. Clear? Children, I hope you've understood. Today we only touched on present tense. Okay? So I want you to revise all this. Do the tutorial, the assignment that I'm giving you. In your other assignment, this is your homework assignment. I'll give you a few sentences because I know I have given you here. Okay? Please be sincere in your work.